If you're planning to attend PowerGen International 2024, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From January 23rd to the 25th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during PowerGen's exhibit hall hours at the Ernes and Morial Convention Center in New Orleans, Louisiana. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at PowerGen International why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred throughout the power generations industry's remote visual inspections of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech video borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.